Hello everyone. Today is December 14th, 2021, and yesterday I just completed the coding of this question, the problem, the letter combination of a phone number from Leetcode, and the code it looks like this. Today I'm going to try to run this code on the Leetcode. So far I just copy the codes here. Okay, let's start. Switch to the Leetcode and paste here. Here we go. So I got all the information here. I just run the first time. Line 32, 36, line 36. Let me see, line 36. Okay, why? I can't recall the details. So for the yes, I don't need that line. That's additional line. I don't know how that generated, but let me delete that one. So this is big function for that. So let me check. So okay, line 89. I think that's a typo. So I just corrected, and another line is temp buffer. It's line 69. It's okay. Run third time. Let me see the left buffer. Okay, and I got left buffer here. Another one. And run code. Okay, I got the heap buffer overflow. That's some array access outer boundary. So I'm thinking. Okay, here what the first happens I remember I missed this. I'm going to copy the length plus 1 for that, and let me try. Here, so I'm going to print it out. So for the debug code, let me check if I enable the Vim editor. Yes, that's right. So for the for loop, indicator m less than temp size, and I'm plus 1, and print temp buffer m. Okay, so that's the one, and the next time I'm going to play the temp right here, the ref. Okay, that's the ref here. And since at this section I'm going to print out the return 2D you go. I finished the debug code here, so I just run the code and I got all this problem here. So based on the output, it looks like no ASCII table, ASCII code has been stored in the temp buffer array and return array. So I'm thinking something wrong here. In the changing code right here, so the 77, 71. Let me think. So starter, okay, starter. Let me print here for quick check. And then run again. Looks like not right. Let me double check the ASCII table. ASCII table I got saved here, so I understand the number A. Oh, maybe something I understand wrong, and the hex is here. Let me make a quick test here. So that's the char, temp buffer is char, that's right. Let me do a quick test here. I did understand wrong something. Char and the temp equals A and char temp 1 equals 0, 70 hex 60 61. Then create char and char temp and temp 1. Okay, run the code again. That's right. How that happened? Let me check here as the hex output. Why that's got 5E? 5E, let me see. So that means starter is digits temp size. Okay. How that get I'm going to check this function letter decode decider as the DJ input here, and then run the code again. So the DJ, that's 2 on the temp, since that's 2, and I'm going to print starters. Okay, starter. Oh, I see. going to print starter right here. So I'm thinking maybe I made mistake for convert char and integer starter, and this looks right. So the FE, why that's FE? Let me double check the letter decider. So okay, oh, something wrong here. So with the digits return, so I need minus 031. 31 will be the 0 ASCII, right? Then the digits 0 ASCII. No, that's the 0. Hold on. 2. So let me do a calculation here. I am thinking the digits. That's not this. Oh yeah, that's right. So the digits minus 30. Okay, that's minus hex 30. So that will be the one. So and yes, let me do the run again. Okay, 0 6 6 4. That's fine. That's the number D. Why? That's the number. Okay, that's D. And DG letter decider is 2 3. That's the one. So okay, so for the first one, I'm going to check. Okay, in that case, that's the terminator of a string. So we don't need 0. Let me check starter. 2G starter will be there. Okay, that's the wrong one. So I'm thinking. Okay, so it seems I have a missing code handler, the terminator. I need a okay, I need a redesign this function to handle the terminator of the string. Before that, this function only handle no terminator cases. The case, so that will suppose the end of string will be the end of string will be the digits ASCII code, no terminator itself. So that function is wrong. I need rewrite this function later on. Okay, that will be 2BD. Thank you for watching.